Okay, for a while now, I've been driving the Frontier and doing all my things, recording every step of the way. So now I sit here trying to put something together for this video. And although the first drive to the reptile show in Havre de Grace, Maryland starts with a reasonably clear sky and even a bit of sunshine, since then I've driven to 2 more reptile shows and a bonsai club meeting at the beach. Not only did it cloud up in Maryland that afternoon, it was crazy rain on the other 3 days. Looking back, other than a few hours here and there, it has been damp and rainy every day for the last month. Like I said, I started with a little bit of sunshine as I arrive at the reptile show in Havre de Grace, Maryland. Now I'll give you a quick look at some of the animals at today's show, but as the show goes on, outside the clouds have been rolling in. The drive home that afternoon was relatively dry, but the clear skies on the way here this morning will be the last time I see the sun for almost a month. Not to bore you too much or to make you dizzy watching the windshield wipers for an extended period of time, I will combine the next 3 drives into this video, hopefully making it something worth watching. Excluding the morning in Maryland, I could throw the rest of the footage from these 4 days into a hat and randomly pull them out, and they would all look exactly the same. So that's what I'll do. I'll end this mess with a quick random mix of the drives home and my final thoughts. My final thoughts today are going to be very quick and concise. I hate late winter and early spring. I hate 45-degree rainy days and below freezing nights in April and May. I mean, come on, I don't live in Minnesota anymore. When the calendar says it's the first day of spring, I would love for spring to actually start. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a day.